Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to pin a comment on TikTok. So you may receive comments on your TikTok videos and you want one to be pinned. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So the first thing we do is go to our app library and search for TikTok, open up TikTok. And once TikTok is opened, the thing we need to do is go to our profile button on the bottom right corner, tap on profile. And here we're to select the video we're going to pin the comment on. So I'm going to select this video. And in this video, I have a comment. And to pin the comment, what we need to do is simply like it on the button here. So TikTok will automatically pin the comment simply because we liked it. So liked comments are given precedence in TikTok. So they are shown first. So this is how you pin comments on TikTok. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.